Are you exhausted from tirelessly trying to bring your desires into reality? It may feel as though the more you push and strive, the farther your dreams seem to drift away. But what if I told you that the secret to attracting your desires lies in surrendering? Yes, you heard it right. In this eye-opening video, we will explore the incredible power of letting go and allowing your manifestations to unfold naturally. Imagine a world where your desires effortlessly materialize without the need for force or struggle. It may seem too good to be true, but the truth is that by relinquishing control, you open yourself up to limitless possibilities. Instead of fighting against the current, you learn to flow with it, allowing the universe to effortlessly guide you towards your dream. You may be wondering how this concept works and why it is so effective. Well, the truth is that when we let go of attachment to the outcome, we release resistance. It is this resistance that often holds us back from receiving the very things we desire. By surrendering our need to control every aspect, we create space for miracles to happen. In this video, we will delve deeper into the art of surrender. We will explore practical techniques and mindset shifts that can help you align with the flow of abundance and effortlessly manifest your desires. Whether it's attracting love, wealth, success, or happiness, the principles of surrender apply to all areas of life. Before we embark on this enlightening journey, I would like to invite you to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you will stay connected and receive notifications whenever we share new wisdom to enhance your manifestation journey. Okay, let's get started. Let's first address a common problem that many of us face. We live in a world where success and happiness are often defined by societal standards. We find ourselves comparing our lives to others and longing for what they have. But here's the truth: your normal is unique to you. Your ideal life is based on your own experiences and desires. So, let go of the pressure to conform and embrace the journey towards your own dreams. Now, let's talk about the concept of giving up to attract your desires. If you've tried every manifestation technique out there, from the SATS method to scripting and mental diets, and still haven't seen the results you crave, then maybe it's time for a different approach. You see, I used to be a relentless practitioner of manifestation. 0.1s. But despite my efforts, I couldn't figure out why my dreams weren't fully manifesting. It wasn't until I discovered the teachings of Neville Goddard and the power of letting go that everything started to click. So, what is the grand secret of manifesting? It's simple. You cannot manifest a thing if you are desperately trying to manifest it. When you're consumed by desperation and constantly thinking about your desires, they elude you. It's like smothering a seed with soil and drowning it in water and sunlight. It needs space to grow naturally. Now I can imagine your skepticism. But wait, you might say, I've been taught to push and strive for what I want. How can giving up possibly lead to manifestation? Well, here's the truth. When you let go of the desperation and attachment to your desires, you create space for them to manifest effortlessly. It's time to stop focusing so much on time. Distract yourself from constantly wondering when your intentions will materialize. Trust that they will show up at the perfect moment, like magic. Similarly, stop fixating on your physical environment and the lack of your intentions in it. If you're constantly aware of what you don't have, you cannot be aware of the presence of what you want. Shift your focus to the feeling state of already having your desires, and let that be your dominant state of consciousness. One of my favorite tips when it comes to manifestation and achieving your goals is to get comfortable with the feeling state of having what you want. It's not just about visualizing and setting specific goals. It's about learning to love and embrace the feeling of already experiencing the fulfillment of your desires. Imagine this feeling state as a warm, glowing light within you. Close your eyes and let that light expand and fill every corner of your being. Feel it radiating from your heart, spreading to every cell in your body. As you do this, focus on the sensations that arise, a sense of joy, contentment, and excitement. Really allow yourself to sink into these emotions and let go of any doubts or limiting beliefs that may hold you back. When you saturate yourself in this feeling state, something remarkable happens. You begin to align your energy with the frequency of your desires. You become a vibrational match for what you want, and as a result, your physical reality starts to shift and reflect that vibrational alignment. Think of it like tuning your inner radio station. By focusing on the feeling of already having what you desire, you fine-tune your frequency to match what you want to attract into your life. This vibration acts as a magnet, drawing opportunities, resources, and people who can support you in manifesting your goals. Picture yourself in vivid detail, enjoying the life you desire. Imagine every little aspect in detail, from the sights and sounds to the smells and tastes. Visualize yourself in that ideal career, that dream house, or that fulfilling relationship. How does it feel to live that experience? Let the emotions wash over you and embrace the happiness and fulfillment that comes with it. But remember, it's important to enjoy the feeling state without attachment or neediness. Need and want nothing more than that feeling state itself. Cultivate a sense of detachment from the outcome and instead focus on the joy it brings you in the present moment. As you consistently engage with this practice, you'll start to notice subtle shifts in your reality. Opportunities will present themselves, seemingly out of nowhere. Synchronicities and coincidences will become more frequent, guiding you towards your desires. You may even witness your manifestations materialize before your very eyes, as if by magic. Now you might be wondering, what if I've tried everything and it's still not working? Well, my friend, maybe it's time to just let it go and allow it to grow. Release your grasp on the outcome and give your desires the space they need to fill the room. Trust in the process and have faith that it will all work out in divine timing. Friends, it's okay to feel frustrated at times. We're only human. But when those moments arise, wash off the frustration and move forward with renewed determination. Before we wrap up, I want to take a moment to thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it insightful and empowering. If you enjoyed it, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more content like this. We value your thoughts and feedback, so please leave your comments in the section below. We'd love to hear about your own manifestation journey and the challenges you faced along the way. As we conclude this video, may you embark on your manifestation journey with God's blessings. Close your eyes, envision your dreams, and let them manifest effortlessly into your life. Until we meet again in our next video, keep manifesting and embracing the power of letting go. Remember, your desires are waiting for you to release the pressure and trust in the process. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.